Hello everyone. We are going to learn on how you can copy items from your flash disk and how you can format it. So first simply open a random folder. So whenever a flash disk is plugged in, its name will appear on this side, so let's plug it in. And now as you can see a new disk has appeared called USB drive, and as you can see we have movies on it, so click on opening it, simply select them all, then long click them, then move them to the area you want to copy them on, and as you can see, it started copying. Also for another method, you can simply right click on the items you want to copy, then go to the copy button, and then go on the folder you want to copy and then then paste them. Also you can copy on the USB disk by simply clicking on the item you want to copy, then move it on USB disk. Also if you want to format your USB disk, simply write the USB drive then click on format. After getting this bar, click on start, then after getting a bar like this, simply click on OK then wait. So now as you can see, task has been complete, and if you check our USB drive, it's been completely erased, so nothing on it. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.